Welcome to Extreme Awesomeness Videos. This is our 4th of July 2017 fireworks stash. We're going to do a quick overview of what we got here. Parachutes and smoke bombs and firecrackers, Saturn missiles, tanks, bottle rockets, some cool Black Cat fountains. We have the Dino Mighty sticks by World Class. Yeah, that's a funny one. It's a fountain by Canon. Black Cat monkeys in a barrel. Call Me by World Class 200 gram fountain. A number 300 maximum load single shot artillery. This year we got a lot of 500 grams here. We got some pretty cool stuff. Most of them, actually all of them are World Class. I didn't even realize that. We got Fast Food, Breathing Fire, One Bad Mother-in-Law right there, and Flicker. We have the Firearm 12 pack by Cutting Edge canister shells right here. We will be doing our fireworks tonight. It is July 3rd today. So we will be doing that. I will do a separate video for each one, and we will get back to that.